Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic angle between the two lines and slope point form. Okay, the first one is find the angle between the lines. Find the angle. Find the angle between the lines. Between the lines y minus root 3x minus 5 is equals to 0 and root 3y minus x plus 6 is equals to 0. First we have to write those equations in the order wise. Okay, we have to write it in the order. So we have to write y is equals to mx plus c, equation of the straight line. Okay, so first we have to write in terms of this y is equals to this root 3 is going to be transposed to RHS, then it is going to be root 3x, and this minus 5 is going to be plus 5. Then what will be the value of m? The value of m is equals to 3. If you compare this with this equation of the straight line, you will get m is equals to root 3. Here there are two lines now, so we have to call it as m1 and m2. Therefore, m1 is equals to root 3. Okay. Next, we have to write in terms of y is equals to mx plus c, that equation. This is called as equation 1, that is slope m1. Okay. Next one is m2, that is equation 2. This one is called as equation 2, and this is 1. Okay. So what is equation 2 becomes? So we have to write y is equals to mx plus c form. So root 3y is there, okay, which is equals to minus x is going to be plus x, and plus 6x is going to be minus 6x. Then in terms of y we have to write, because y is equals to mx plus y is equals to x minus 6 divided by root 3. Okay, x minus 6 divided by root 3. This can be written as here there is coefficient of x is 1 now, 1 divided by root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. Okay, into x. X is there, coefficient of x is 1 here, 1 divided by root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. So 6 can be written as 2 3s are, 3 1s are no. So it can be written as y is equals to 1 by root 3x. So this 6 no. So instead of 2 no, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, which is equals to what? Root 4. The square root of 4 is nothing but 2 only no. So this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. We know that root 2 into root 2 is root 4. What is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. Like the way this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? Which is equals to root 9 only. What is the square root of root 9? Which is equals to 3. So both are same. So instead of 2, we can write root 2, root 2. That instead of 2, we can write root 2 into root 2. Similarly, instead of this 3, can be written as root 3 into root 3. So can you hear this one? Can you see this? Okay, what can be 6 can be written as? 6 can be written as root 2 into root 2, and this root 3 into root 3. So divided by what is there? Root 3 is there. This will get cancelled. After that, y is equals to 1 by root 3x minus, we know same that root 2 into root 2 is root 4 no. Root 4 can be written as 2, okay. 2, okay. 2 root 3. So the value of this is 2 root 3, okay. So we have already, it came in this y is equals to mx plus c form. What will be the m value? M is equals to 1 divided by root 3. So if you compare this now, so if equation of the straight line y is equals to mx plus c, here also it is of that form, y is equals to mx plus c. Here the coefficient of x is what? The coefficient of x is m. So m is 1 by root 3. So another slope is 1 by root 3. Therefore, m2 is what? m2 is 1 by root 3. We have got 1 by root 3. Okay. So m1 is what? m1 is root 3 and m2 is 1 by root 3. Okay. What will be the acute angle between the two lines? The acute angle between the two lines is tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. In the previous class we have used this formula already. Acute angle between the two lines, tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. After this we have to use the tan theta formula. You understood this one? It is not in the order. First we have to write it in the order first. So it has to be y is equals to mx plus c form. Okay. So we have to change the equation as y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to root 3x plus 5. Because we are transposing these two RHS, while transposing the sign is going to be changed. Okay, this is going to be root 3x minus 5 is going to be plus 5. After that we have to compare with the y is equals to mx plus c. So where m is equals to root 3. There are two lines here, that is why we are calling it as m1 and m2. So m1 is equals to root 3. Similarly, go for m2. It is also not in the order. We have to write in terms of y is equals to mx plus c. We can write 3y is equals to minus x is going to be plus x plus 6 is going to be minus 6, because we are transposing LHS to RHS. While transposing, usually the sign will change. Okay. So y is equals to x minus 6 divided by root 3, because it is going to be come into the denominator. It has to come into the denominator. So 1 by root 3x minus 6 divided by root 3. So this we have to add. Okay. 6 can be written as this 2 root 3. No. Otherwise you can directly do it here. No. This 6 divided by root 3 is there. No. 6 can be written as 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. No. This is root 9. No. The square root of 9 is this 6. No. 2 into 3 is there. So root 9 is nothing but 3. Okay. So we can do it later, and here denominator is root 3. Cancel it off, you get root 2. Okay. You can also do like this. So we got second equation as 1 by root 3x, 1 by root 3x minus 6 divided by root 3. So this can be written as 6 can be written as 2 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. You will get 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 we are getting. Okay. So after that we have to check it, because the y is equals to 1 by root 3x minus 2 root 3. Okay. So the value of x, the coefficient of x is 1 by root 3. No. 1 by root 3. So therefore m2 is 1 by root 3. After that, which formula we have to use? We have to use acute angle between the two lines. What is the acute angle between the two lines? That is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. So what is m2? m2 is 1 by root 3. So m1 is root 3. m2 is 1 by root 3. This. Okay. So m2 is 1 by root 3 minus m1 is root 3. Okay. So divided by 1 plus m1 m2, that is root 3 into m2 is 1 by root 3. So this is tan theta. Okay. So after that we have to take LCM, that is cross multiplication. We have to do 1 into 1 is 1 minus root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square. So divided by root 3. Okay. Root 3. Next 1 plus, these will get cancelled. Okay. Root 3 with root 3 will get cancelled. You will get what? You will get only 1. Okay. Next one, these two will get cancelled. So it is going to be, so 1 minus 3 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So this is 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2 divided by root 3. So 2. Okay. So inversing the divisor, these two will get cancelled. You will get minus 1 by root 3. What is modulus of minus 1 by root 3? We know the modulus sign is going to be positive. Modulus of minus 1 by root 3 is plus 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So, tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So, we can use trigonometric functions of standard angles also. We know that in the previous class we have discussed sin 30 degree, cos 30 degree and tan 30 degree. Okay, what will be the tan 30 degree value? It's 1 divided by root 3. So this can also be written as theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay, tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So theta is equals to tan inverse of, this can be tan 30 degree. Okay. So these two nullify, you will get theta is equals to 30 degree. So this is the problem. We have to do it very carefully. It will come in the examination for 3 marks. Okay. What will be the acute angle between the two lines? The acute angle between the two lines is tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. First we have to write it in the order. We have to write in y is equals to mx plus c form. So where where m is the coefficient of x. So we have to take m1 and m2 value by using the slopes. Okay. But we have to find out the slopes from equation 1 and equation 2. From slope 1 we have got root 3 and from equation 2 we have got 1 by root 3. So substitute here in this formula, you will get this. No, we have simplification is very easy. You will get 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is 30 degree. That is tan is there. No, tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3. So you will get theta is equals to 30 degree. So this is the angle between the two lines problem. Okay. Next one is various forms of equation of the line. Various forms of equation of the line. The first one is point slope form. Point slope form. Okay, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. Okay, the first one is point slope form. Next one is 2-point form. 2-point form. The next one is 2-point form. So same, if you know this one, it is very easy to make next one. The M1 we have already done. There are three methods of finding the slopes. I have already said that. What is the first method? M is equals to tan theta if theta is the inclination of the angle. So that is theta will be given, no? Then we have to use M is equals to tan theta. If there are two vertices are given, we have to use M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is the M value? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is M value x minus x1. So point slope form is y minus y1 is equals to m. M is the slope. M of x minus x1. 2-point form is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, that is y is equals to mx plus c. Intercept form is slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c. Next, intercept form. Intercept form. Okay, intercept form is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to 1. This is the intercept form. This is intercept form. Just the form of this part. Okay, our intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. And the last one is normal form. Can you see from here? So normal form. Normal form is x cos w plus y sin w is equals to p. Okay, x cos w plus y sin w is equals to p. These are the various forms of equation of the line. Various forms of equation of the line. Okay, these are the various forms of equation of the line. So this we have already done. Finding slope we have already done. That is m is equals to tan theta, or m is equals to, we can use y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. There is another method of finding slope. If the equation is given, we have to use m is equals to minus a by b. These are the three methods of finding slope. After that, we have to use various forms of equation of the line. Now, y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. 2-point form is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. And slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c, and just intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, and normal form x cos w plus y sin w is equals to p. Okay. We are going to discuss about these various forms of equation of the line one by one. Okay. The first one is point slope form. What will be the formula for point slope form? For finding point slope form is y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. So these are all this equation, based on this equation it is going to coming in the examination for 2 marks. Okay. So the question will be like this: find the equation of the line. Okay. Find the equation of the line through minus 2 comma 3 with slope minus 4. So the question will be like this: find the equation. We have to find out the equation. Okay, of the line to the point. What will be the point? The vertex is minus 2 comma 3 with slope. This is m value. Okay. Slope is m no? And this is x1, y1. Okay. What we have to find out? We have to find out equation of the line. Which formula you have to use? We have to use y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 3, which is equals to m is what? M is minus 4 of x minus x1 is minus 2. So y minus 3 is equals to minus 4 of x plus 2. So y minus 3 is equals to minus 4x. We have to multiply. Okay, we have to remove this binomial. So we have to multiply like this. Minus 4x minus 4 2s are 8. So after that we need to be take LHS. We have to write it in the order. We have to write in terms of x, y and constant terms. Minus 4x is plus 4x. This y is there. Okay. Minus 3 is there. We just transpose minus 8 to LHS. You will get plus 8. Okay. So then what will be the equation of the line? The equation of the line is 4x plus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the line. So these problems are very simple. Okay, these are the very simple problems, but you can score very easily in the examination. Okay, you just use y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. The value of m they are going to given, and x1, y1 also where they are given. So we have to write in terms of x, y and the constant terms. So equation of the line we need to be find out. For that we have x1, y1 value and the slope value. Okay. The another question will be find the equation of a line with slope. Slope is minus 2 by 3. Okay, let me get this. With the slope is minus 2 by 3 and passing through the point. The point will be changing. The point is 5 comma minus 2. The point is 5 comma minus 2. So we need to be find out equation of the line. What is the formula for finding the equation of the line? So it is y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. So y minus y1 is what? Minus 2 is equals to m is minus 2 by 3 of x minus x1 is 5. So y minus into minus is plus, y plus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 3 of x minus 5. So this we have to be very careful. You just take it, you just cross multiply, okay. So then it is going to be 3 into y is 3y, no, plus 2 into 3 is 6, okay. Like this we have to cross multiply. 3 of y plus 2, it is going to be 3y plus 6. Then what will be the remaining terms? The remaining terms is minus 2 of x minus y. If you multiply that now, minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 5 is 10. Okay. We have to simplify like this. After that minus 2x, you take it as LHS, it is going to be plus 2x plus 3y is there, plus 6 plus 10 is going to be minus 10 is equals to 0, then you get 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the straight equation of the line. Okay. Next. Next, find the equation of the line find the, this is a different one, okay. The next question will be, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line making an angle 150 degree with the positive x-axis, okay, and passing through minus 3 comma 2, okay. What will be the slope here? M is equals to 150 degree. So the slope is M is equals to 150 degree. How can we get M here? Can we get direct value for this 150 degree? You just remember in the previous class, and also we have done already the trigonometric functions of this standard angles we have done, the aligned angles we have done. If you go for ASTC chart, that is all students take copy. It means all means that is all trigonometry. A means ASTC chart. If you remember the ASTC chart, in the first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. In the second quadrant sin theta and its reciprocal are positive, and the remaining angles are negative there in the second quadrant. In the third quadrant tan theta and its reciprocal is positive. In the fourth quadrant ASTC cot theta and its reciprocal is positive. So in first quadrant 90 degree minus theta will be there. Next 360 degree plus theta will be there. In the second quadrant what we have done, 90 degree plus theta 90 degree and above values will come in the second quadrant, as well as 180 degree minus theta will come in the second quadrant. In the third quadrant what we have done, in the third quadrant 270 degree minus theta and this 180 degree plus theta will come in third quadrant. In the fourth quadrant 270 degree plus theta, 360 degree minus theta. So these are all we have done, okay. So we have to make it in terms of stand angles. So what will be the finding slope? M is equals to tan theta. M is equals to tan. What is theta here? Theta is 150. M is equals to 180 minus 30 degree. Is 150 now? 150, 60, 70, 80. So what is 180 degree? And this tan we have to write, okay? Tan. What is tan of 180 degree minus theta? Tan of 180 degrees theta is minus tan theta. Why it is minus tan theta? Because 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant. So this angle is lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant only sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. Therefore, this tan theta is not there in second quadrant now. Therefore, it is minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is 30 degree. Just we have done tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, no? So minus 1 by root 3. This is theta value. This we have done is theta value. What we have to use next? We have to use y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. Okay. Y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. So this is the point now. Correct as what x1, y1. Y minus y1 is 2. M is what? M is equals to minus 1 by root 3 of x minus x1 is minus no minus is there, x1 is minus 3. Okay. So y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 of minus into minus is plus, okay, divided by root 3. So we can write like this also, y minus 2 is equals to minus 1, also we can write minus of this x plus 3, okay, divided by root 3. We just cross multiply towards here, cross multiplication you get root 3y minus 2 root 3, so which is equals to minus of x plus 3, okay. It is minus of x plus 3. If you because we are writing in terms of x, y and the constant terms. So minus of x plus 3 is going to be plus of, it is going to be just like plus, okay. And this, you put bracket plus, okay, plus of x plus 3 plus root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equals to 0. Okay, this can be written as x is there no, x plus root 3y. So this is constant, no, this is x and y and constant, plus 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay, this is the constant value is equals to 0. So what I have done here is this I kept as it is x, okay, plus this y value root 3y. Then what will be remaining? This 3 is there, no? 3 and here is also the constant term. Okay, so it is of equation of the line form. So it's very easy. Okay, you just you need just practice. So we have done based on this, no? We have done problems based on this. Okay, you understood this one. It is very easy and it is important also. First we have to write. We need to be find out theta value. How it is going to be theta value? M is equals to tan theta. M is equals to tan 150 degree. So tan 150 degree can be written as tan of 180 degree minus 30 degree. What is tan of 180 degree minus 30 degree? Tan of 180 degree minus theta is minus tan theta. Theta is here 30 degree. So we know tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3. So theta is equals to minus 1 by root 3. So use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. x1 y1 is minus 3 2 and m value is minus 1 by root 3. So substitute this one. So this has to be careful. Okay, minus 1 is nothing but minus of x plus 3. Both are same. If you multiply one now, it will be same only. So I am writing just minus of this x plus 3. Cross multiply root 3y minus 2 root 3 and minus of x plus 3. Minus of x plus 3 is going to be plus of x plus 3 and root 3y and minus 2 root 3. We have to write the equation now. We have to write in terms of ax plus by plus c form. So therefore x plus root 3y plus 3 minus 2 root 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Next, find the equation of the line with the point to the point minus 4 comma 3. This is over, I believe. This one is over. Okay. Can we move for next one? Better we'll go for 2-point form. What is 2-point form? Y minus y1, we'll do this one. Y minus y1 is equals to n is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. This is the 2-point form. So the question will be, write the equation of the line. Write the equation of the line through the points. Through the points 1, minus 1 and 3, 5. Okay. Based on that points flow form, different kinds of methods we have used. Okay. Different problems we have done already. So let me solve this for this 2-point form. Okay. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. What is the 2-point form? We have to write down the equation of the line for this also. For that we have to use this formula. Y minus y1 is minus 1. Okay. Y we have to keep as it is. Minus is there, minus. Y1 is what? Y1 is minus 1. Is equals to y2 is 5. Y1 is minus 1 divided by x2 is 3, x1 is 1. So x minus x1 is 1. Okay. We have to be careful. Let me check once. Y minus y1 is minus 1 is equals to y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 1. Very okay. We are substituting here. So divided by x2 is what? x2 is 3 minus x1 is 1. So of x minus x1. So this is y minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 5 minus into minus plus 1. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2 of x minus 1. So y plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2 of x minus 1. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Y plus 1 is equals to 3 of x minus 1 is 3x minus 3. Okay, 3x minus 3. After that we can use 3x minus y minus 3 minus 1 is equals to 0. We will get 3x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the line through the points. So many examples we can do it, okay? Next we'll go for next one. What is we'll just write down the points, okay? 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6. Okay. So for it as x1 y1 x2 y2. Use the formula y minus of minus y1 is 3. So y2 is 6 minus y1 is minus 3 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2 of x minus x1 is 2. So y minus y1 is 3 minus 3. So is equals to y2. y2 is 6 minus y1 is minus 3 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2. So x minus 2. So y plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. So of x minus 2. So y plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9 divided by 3 of x minus 2. So 3 ones are, 3 threes are, y plus 3 is equals to 3 of x minus 2. So we can write this also. It is going to be 3x minus 3 2s are 6 and plus y is going to be minus y plus 3 is going to be minus 3 is 0. So you get 3x minus y minus 9 is equals to 0. We have got 3x minus y next minus 9 is equals to 0. Next. Three comma 5 minus 3 comma minus 1. If there is minus now, you have to be very careful. Characters x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the formula? The formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 5 is equals to y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is 3 of x minus x1 is 3. So y minus 5 is equals to minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6 of x minus 3. So y minus 5, this will get cancelled, minus into minus is plus now. So x plus 3. So you can write x plus y is minus 5. You write plus 3. Minus 5 is going to be plus 5 is equals to 0. So you will get x minus 5 plus 8 is equals to 0. This correct now? X plus 5 is transposing minus 5 plus 3 is there, minus 5 is plus 5, x minus 5 plus 8 is equals to 0. These are all important problems in the various forms of equation of the line. So you have to be very, remember, you have to be very careful. These are the simple problems now, but we have to remember the formulas. Which formula we have to apply, okay? We have done already different kinds of equation of the line, okay? There are so many methods. M is equals to tan theta, M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next, M is equals to minus a by b. These are the three methods of finding slope. Similarly, point slope form is y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. Similarly, 2-point form is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. These are all important problems. You can do it very easily. Simple problems also. You just practice it, okay?